Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be showing you how to add text behind your subject on an image. This is an image from one of my recent GRAD sessions, and as you can see, we've added 3 blocks of text here, the GRAD and the 2025, and if you notice, it's behind the subject, the GRAD is. So I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get started. I'm starting this from a fully edited image. I've already done all the backdrop cleanup. I've done the imperfection, cleaning up those. I have done the skin correcting, the frequency separation. So we're starting from a fully edited image. If you need a refresher on previous steps like raw photo editing, frequency separation, all of the backdrop cleanup, I'm going to link the previous tutorials above so you can go back and take a look at that. So we're going to start, and this is just the way that I do it. I know there's many ways of doing it. There's no wrong way, but I'm just going to show you my way. I am going to start by merging all of the visible layers into a new layer above those. So I'm going to do the shortcut, which is Command Shift Option and E. And that puts everything that we've done into a layer, a new layer by itself on the top of everything. That was for Mac. On PC, Control Shift Alt and E for a PC. On Mac, Command Shift Option and E. Okay, so my next step, I'm going to take a selection of my subject, and I've got that saved up here in Properties. Just scroll down and hit Select Subject, and Photoshop does a really good job of selecting the subject. With the subject selected, I like to take it one step further just to make sure everything has been selected, and I'm going to hit Select and Mask so that I can clearly see and make sure that everything is selected. Zoom in. So it does a really good job of selecting everything, and it looks like we've got everything. Looks like we're good to go. I'm just going to hit OK, and what I'm going to do with that subject selected, I'm going to make a copy of the subject in a new layer. So the shortcut to that is Command or Control J. Makes a copy of that layer, and I'm just going to rename it subject so I know what's what. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our text, start adding our text. I've got 3 blocks of text that I'm going to add separately. It's going to be it's going to be GRAD and the year 2025. So we're going to go over here to our text tool, and I've already got it set on horizontal. It's going to be set to whatever you use last, but you can right click in here and you can see the different types of text. So we can use the horizontal type tool. Click it, and then you can come up here and select the color that you want. You select the color swatch, it's going to give you all these colors. You can just use whatever color you want to. I'm going to use red. I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to start typing about where I want to put the text. Just click on the image where you want to start. And for this one, for GRAD, I'm going to put a space in between the G and the R, a couple of spaces between the R and the A, and then a space between the A and the D. When you're finished typing, you're going to press the check mark, and then to shape this the way we want to, easiest way for me is Control or Command T, and then I'm going to resize it. to center it. That looks good. I want to put it down just a little bit. All right, and when we're finished, we're going to hit the check mark. All right, let's move on and let's add all of our text first. I'm going to come over here and add the "the." So I'm going to click another text. I'm going to click the image about where I want it, and for that one, I'm going to use the Dulcinea regular. I think that's how you say it. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I'm going to use that one. For "the," it's a little bit fancier. I'm going to type and hit the check mark, and then I'm also going to Control T and resize it. All right, and for this one, I'm going to turn it just a little bit to where it fits kind of in between the R and the G, and just play with the sizing until you get it how you want to. I think I'm gonna leave it about right there. Hit the check mark, and we've got one more text to add. So I'm gonna go over here and grab my text tool again, and I'm gonna place it. Actually, we're gonna right click because this one is going to be vertical. I'm sorry. So I'm going to go over here and grab the vertical type tool, and I'm going to start about where I want to put it. And I'm also going to change the font. I'm going to use this one here. I don't want to mispronounce it. And I'm going to type 2025. Press the check mark, and then Command T to resize it and move it where you want to. Put it down here in between the A and the D. Just a little bit bigger. About right there. And check mark. Now, we're almost done, but as you can see, the R and the A is kind of in front of the subject. We don't want that. We want to make it look like she's standing in front of this writing. So remember that layer that we copied the subject into by itself? We're going to go back down, scroll back down to the subject layer, click on it, and we're going to drag it to the top. When we do, there, she's now in front of the letters. And that's it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed the tutorial, and also if there's anything else that you want to see, go ahead and write those in the comments as well. I'll be happy to do some more tutorials on what you guys want to see. But as always, stay tuned for more helpful Photoshop tips, helpful photo session tips, and I'll see you next time.